HSBC presents CNBC TV 18's Future Female Forward, the Women's Collective, powered by Parity, Season 2.
In India, women's labour force participation stands at around 37%, 40 percentage points lower than the number of men. That's quite a huge gap. In fact, experts say to hit the 8% GDP growth mark, India must ensure that women account for over 50% of the new workforce. Not-for-profit organization Nimaya is focusing on bridging this very gender gap. Not just that, it's going a step further to help the girls future-proof their careers. Nimaya, which translates to opportunity in Sanskrit, is the brainchild of two founders, Navya Naveli Nanda, the founder of Project Naveli, which works towards gender equality, and Samyak Chakrabarti, founder of Workverse, which helps professionals build automation-proof careers. So what's the organization's core focus?
Nimaya essentially supports young women in ambitious careers and allows them to balance a career where technology and humans can work together to kind of create a brighter future for India. And the way that we thought, or the way forward for that was to really emphasize and focus on soft skills, which is something that, of course, outranks an AI because what humans have, cannot be replicated by a robot or any form of technology.
We believe that soft skills are essentially power skills. They are superpowers that can enable you to thrive alongside automation instead of being replaced by it. Because what soft skills like critical thinking, problem solving and emotional intelligence empower you to do is start thinking where ChatGPT stops, right? The human mind, one of the greatest superpowers of the human mind is to be able to think, create and communicate in uncertainty.
Navya and Samyak believe it's crucial for learners to use soft skills to solve particular situations or scenarios they may find themselves in.
We use a combination of, role play scenarios, simulations, where we literally immerse the learner into an imaginary workplace scenario where they have to deal with, say, conflict, or they have to deal with certain situations that do occur in the real world as well. That bring out these soft skills, that bring out and actually force them to kind of use these skills to kind of solve that particular situation or scenario.
Why women? 49% of India's population is women, but unfortunately less than probably 15% are in positions of leadership, whether it is politics, whether it is business or bureaucracy. And it is very important that this literally half the population set is put in the driver's seat of Bharat's growth agenda. Now, if soft skills are the essential superpowers to survive and thrive in the new world of work, then women must be empowered by it.
अगर हम आज मेहनत कर लेंगे ना तो शायद फ्यूचर में वो मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी अगर आज नहीं करेंगे तो फ्यूचर में हमें उस चीज के लिए पछताना पड़ेगा
So far, Nimaya has upskilled more than 3,000 women in India under its Smart Fellowship and other programs. These include daughters of cops in the Mumbai Police, daughters of farmers in Haryana, and girls from Uttar Pradesh's rural belt. Through the latest edition of the fellowship, Nimaya is helping more than 1,000 women in Lucknow pick up soft skills essential for the workplace.
We ask them, where do you want to work? What is your dream? And that's, like Samyak said, we're the bridge. So, if it's a Google, then we will go out there and try our best to see if we can kind of open those doors for you, personally refer you, personally try and get you placed. Of course, you can't always promise 100% placement, but we do have a very high placement rate with the learners up till now, in the last 3 years.
We have these classifications of what aspiration means, right? Okay, yes, on one side there is a Google and there is an Apple that people want to work at, but we were in Haryana and this one girl, she was a learner of our program, and we asked her the usual question as to, what is it that you want to do? And she stands up and says, I want to own my own petrol pump. And she said it with as much passion and interest as anyone would say, I want to start an AI startup, and I was like, yeah, because even that's a dream.
पहले तो मैं अपने आप को ही नहीं समझती थी। स्वॉट एनालिसिस करके मैंने खुद को जाना और मैंने स्वॉट एनालिसिस से जाना कि हम लोग केवल अपने बारे में नहीं बल्कि आने वाले प्लान्स के बारे में भी, अपने प्लान्स आइडियाज़ के बारे में भी स्वॉट एनालिसिस करके उन पे जो कमियां हैं वो मतलब दूर कर सकते हैं। मैं पहले ना बोल नहीं पाती थी, आज आप खुद दे रही हैं, मैं आपके सामने कैसे एक इंटरव्यू दे सकती हूँ और ये मैं आगे अपने जॉब के लिए भी कई सारे इंटरव्यूज़ दे अब सकती हूँ।
इसके पहले मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था कि मेरा ड्रीम्स क्या है, मतलब इतना कन्फ्यूज़न था मेरे अंदर कि मैं खुद ही कंफ्यूज थी कि मेरा ड्रीम क्या होगा। 3-4 चीज़ें मैंने सोच के रखा था कि नहीं टीचर भी बनना है, मुझे ट्रेनर भी बनना है, मुझे IT कंपनी में भी जाना है। तो जब यहाँ पे आए थे तो मैम ने सिखाया कि नहीं चूज़ करो, 4-5 चीज़ें तुम्हारे पास है, उसमें से 3 चीज़ें सेलेक्ट करो, फिर 3 में से 2 सेलेक्ट करो, 2 से फिर 1 निकालो जो तुम्हें लगे। एक बैकअप प्लान भी रखो अपने पास, ये नहीं कि मतलब उसी पे ही फोकस करो, उसको भी ट्रेन करते रहो।
मैं अपना जो एकेडमी चलाना चाहती हूँ उसकी पहले से प्लानिंग करके उसको अच्छे से डिज़ाइन कर सकती हूँ और अपना प्रेजेंटेशन बना करके किसी से हेल्प लेना हो या तो फिर अपना संस्था के बारे में, अपनी एकेडमी के बारे में कुछ भी बताना हो तो नया प्रेजेंटेशन प्लान और सब चीज़ तैयार करके पहले से रख के और प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छे से दे सकती हूँ।
So what's next for Nimaya? The founders want to take their initiative to more states and create a role model in every corner of the country over the next 3 decades.
But what kind of role models? One, that you don't need a degree or academic intelligence to be successful anymore. If you are able to apply your natural intelligence and work alongside artificial intelligence and achieve success, I think that story is important because maybe up till now there are role models who went to IIT, IIM or all of these top these schools and got great salaries, which was true until a factor called automation came in.
Nimaya is helping learners grasp a chance at leaping through the window of opportunity and gear up for a fast evolving future. In Lucknow, Kiran Khatri.
HSBC presents CNBC TV 18's Future Female Forward, The Women's Collective, powered by Parity, Season 2.